1. The tech tidal wave, AI, space, and quantum supremacy explained. 2. India's quantum computing revolution. QpiAI leads the charge. 3. QpiAI raises $32 million in funding led by Avataar and NQM. India's quantum leap in AI and tech. 1. The tech tidal wave, AI, space, and quantum supremacy explained. Hold on to your hats. The breakneck pace of technological advancement isn't just reshaping our world. It's launching us into uncharted territory where human ingenuity collides with digital frontiers. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these dizzying innovations truly empowering humanity or hurtling us toward uncharted ethical dilemmas? Slack's workplace revamp, where AI becomes your office wingman. That chaotic avalanche of workplace messages? Slack's newest AI suite tackles it head-on. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just organize your chats, but anticipates your needs. Take the new contextual message helper, hover over any confusing thread, and it instantly summarizes the backstory, like decoding office politics in real time. Then there's the AI writing wizard. Describe your goal, e.g., draft a client FAQ. And it generates polished text, making you sound like a pro even on your busiest days. But here's the kicker. Its action items filter silences non-urgent notifications, freeing you from notification hell. And with real-time translation breaking language barriers, global teams debate ideas seamlessly. Is this a productivity utopia or a step toward over-reliance on AI? You tell us. Amazon Space Gambit. 78 satellites, and 3,154 more to go. While you binge-watch shows, Amazon just launched 78 broadband satellites into orbit, a mere hint of its planned 3,232-strong Kuiper constellation. This isn't sci-fi. It's a calculated bid to challenge SpaceX's Starlink and beam internet to rural schools, remote clinics, and isolated communities worldwide. Yet this cosmic chess move begs the question: should corporations control orbital infrastructure critical for global connectivity? And when Jeff Bezos pledges universal access, is it genuine progress or a Trojan horse for market dominance? Let's debate this in the comments. India's quantum play. QpiAI's $32 million power move. India isn't just joining the quantum race. It's charging ahead. Startup QpiAI just landed $32 million, with heavy government backing, to merge quantum computing and AI. Think drug discovery accelerated from years to days or financial models solving in minutes what took supercomputers weeks. But here's the twist. As nations vie for quantum supremacy, could this trigger a new Cold War in tech? And is the hype justified when practical applications remain years away? Sound off below. The dark side of innovation. An engineer's burnout diary. Behind every revolutionary AI update lies human sweat, and sometimes despair. One engineer's leaked diary exposes 7-week sprints, chronic sleep deprivation, and morale crushed under relentless deadlines. This raw account forces us to confront an uncomfortable truth. Our thirst for disruption often tramples worker well-being. Should the tech industry pace progress ethically? Or is burnout the inevitable cost of breakthroughs? This is the part most people miss until they live it. Subscription fatigue hits home. Google's Nest Aware price hike. Just as you master smart home security, Google jacks up Nest Aware's monthly fee from $8 to $10. While the company cites enhanced features, many see yet another arbitrary inflation in the subscription economy. Are these hikes justified? Or proof that tech giants prioritize profits over user loyalty? Frankly, it stings. Conclusion. Surfing the tech tsunami. The future isn't coming. It's crashing over us. Between Slack's AI alchemy, Amazon's space saga, India's quantum dreams, and the humans paying the innovation toll, one thing's clear. We're all riders on this wild wave. But here's my burning question for you. Are we steering technology? Or is technology steering us? Drop your take below. Agreements, dissents, and hot takes welcome. 2. India's quantum computing revolution. QpiAI leads the charge. India is making significant strides in the realm of quantum computing, and at the forefront of this initiative is QpiAI, a promising startup that aims to merge artificial intelligence with quantum technology for practical applications in various industries. Recently, QpiAI secured $32 million in funding, co-led by the Indian government, as part of its mission to enhance its global footprint and develop large-scale quantum computers for diverse markets. This funding round is part of the Indian government's ambitious $750 million national quantum mission, which has also co-invested in QpiAI's series of funding, alongside Avataar Ventures. The startup is now valued at $162 million post-funding. The National Quantum Mission, launched in 2023, is a strategic initiative by the Indian government that recognizes quantum computing as a vital economic opportunity and a crucial element of national security. The mission aims to develop intermediate-scale quantum computers with 50 to 1,000 physical qubits within the next 8 years, utilizing various platforms such as superconducting and photonic technologies. Additionally, it seeks to advance satellite-based quantum communications, intercity quantum distribution, multi-node quantum networks, and the creation of quantum materials, including superconductors and semiconductor structures, essential for quantum device fabrication. QpiAI is one of 8 startups selected under this mission, each receiving an initial grant of up to $3.5 million. Based in Bengaluru with branches in the US and Finland, QpiAI proudly claims to have developed India's first full-stack quantum computer, named QpiAI-Indus, which was launched in April and features 25 superconducting qubits. Founded in 2019, QpiAI focuses on integrating quantum computing with AI to enhance optimization in sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, finance, pharmaceuticals, and materials science. The startup has created specialized software and proprietary hardware designed to facilitate real-world quantum applications, particularly in drug discovery and materials science. Quantum technology can significantly enhance the robustness of AI, stated QpiAI's founder and CEO, Nagendra Nagaraja, in a recent interview. He emphasized that the combination of AI and quantum computing could provide a competitive advantage in critical areas like simulation, drug synthesis, and material discovery. Nagaraja elaborated on the complexity of designing quantum chips, noting that the vast design space necessitates the use of AI to optimize qubit configurations, which is essential for integrating thousands of qubits to achieve logical qubits for error correction. Looking ahead, QpiAI plans to unveil its 64-qubit quantum computer in November, with customer availability anticipated by the second or third quarter of the following year. The company is also gearing up to begin local manufacturing of its quantum hardware by 2026, currently assembling 80% of its machines in-house. With a dedicated team of 100 employees, including 25 PhDs from prestigious institutions, QpiAI has established a customer base of around 20 clients in India and the US, including the Indian government, which utilizes its infrastructure for algorithm testing. Remarkably, QpiAI has maintained profitability at the EBITDA level for the past 3 years, boasting approximately 60% gross margins and net margins ranging from 20% to 30%. With the recent funding, the startup aims to expand into new markets such as Singapore and the Middle East, while also investing in local manufacturing and scaling operations to develop a 100 logical qubit system by 2030. In June of the previous year, QpiAI raised $6.5 million in a pre-series of funding round, which was led by Yournest and SVCL, valuing the company at around $30 million. Nagaraja mentioned that QpiAI has a financial runway of 3 to 4 years, even without factoring in its profitability, and is contemplating an initial public offering in 2026 or 2027. The support from the National Quantum Mission extends beyond QpiAI, as it also backs other innovative startups like QNU Labs, which focuses on quantum-safe networks, and Dimera Technologies, which specializes in cryogenic cables, among others. Ajay Chowdhury, chairman of India's National Quantum Mission, expressed the commitment to continue supporting homegrown companies like QpiAI, aiming to help them grow into large enterprises and position India as a leader in global quantum technologies. As the quantum computing landscape evolves, what are your thoughts on the potential impact of these advancements? Do you believe that India can truly establish itself as a global leader in this field? Share your opinions in the comments. 3. QpiAI raises $32 million in funding led by Avataar and NQM. India's quantum leap in AI and tech. Imagine a future where computers solve the world's most daunting challenges in minutes, not years. Welcome to the quantum revolution, and India's QpiAI is leading the charge with a game-changing $32 million funding round led by Avataar Ventures and the National Quantum Mission, NQM. But here's where it gets controversial. Should a country like India prioritize quantum tech over immediate socio-economic needs? QpiAI isn't just talking quantum, it's delivering. This Bengaluru-based startup merges AI with quantum technology to tackle industrial bottlenecks, from simulating new materials to optimizing drug discovery. Its secret sauce? A full-stack quantum computer. Yes, they built the hardware and software. That's already cracked a 25-qubit milestone with plans to hit 1,000 qubits by 2030. Founder Dr. Nagendra Nagaraja, a 25-year tech veteran, ex-NVIDIA, Qualcomm, isn't shy. Current computers are dinosaurs. Quantum aligns perfectly with nature's complexity. Think chemistry simulations that could invent new fertilizers or vaccines. But skeptics ask, isn't quantum still a lab fantasy? QpiAI says no. It's already working with global auto and life sciences giants, filing 11 patents, and promising a 64-qubit machine by 2024. The big hurdle? Error rates. Their new qubit design claims longer coherence times, which could make error correction and commercial viability a reality. Avataar Ventures backs the bold claim. QpiAI isn't just building tech, it's creating a quantum ecosystem for emerging markets. Critics, however, point to India's limited R&D budget. Should the nation gamble on quantum, or focus on AI first? Your turn. Vote and weigh in below. Poll. Should India prioritize quantum investment? Yes/no. QpiAI's $32 million war chest will fuel a 200-strong team and 3 years of operations. But the real question, can India leapfrog global giants like IBM or Google in the quantum race? As Nagaraja puts it, we're not playing catch-up. We're solving problems others can't even attempt. Agree or disagree? Let's debate in the comments.